quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th, Aquarius. Ang weirdo ng card, the Devil card, the World card, and the Lovers. So, para makakakita tayo ng mood swings dito, no? Either to you or from your person. Kasi parang yung swings dito from salba-salbahihan to bait-baitan ngayon, no? Siyempre, kung salba-salbahihan siya ngayon, may pasuyo-suyo, may pakis-kiss, no? Um, Probably it's just a phase. Pwedeng yung kanyang ugali or pwedeng the moon phase, no? Lunatic. What I'm trying to say here is wala naman din talagang sobrang perfect na tao, no? Dumadating din talaga yung mga saltik-saltik, no? Baka kasi sinaltik si person no'n or sinaltik ka, pero I'm seeing harmony naman, no, this time. With the Lovers, parang kasing masasabi mo na, kailangan pa bang kasi medyo nakakalito ito, no, itong Devil card and the Lovers. Kung titignan mo sa traditional tarot, um almost identical sila. Ang nag-iba lang is yung tanikala, no, yung chain. Ngayon parang it's free now, no? Parang it's free to have a communication and rekindle the love. This is your quick reading, Aquarius, for March the 11th to 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.